Dear students, good afternoon. Today we saw about the lesson 13 structural organization of animals. What does mean by the term organization? Organization is nothing but arrangement. Okay, so in this lesson we will saw about the structural organization in different animals. Okay, so introduction. Introduction. The variety in nature and habit of animal in the biosphere are quite amazing and interesting. Here, listen. So the variety which means various are different in nature. There are different kinds of environment are there. Aquatic, terrestrial, arboreal. Okay, and habit which means behavior. Okay, so habit of animals in the biosphere are quite amazing and interesting. There are different kinds of animals are present in the different environment. Some animals are present in the aquatic medium, and some animals are present in the terrestrial region, and some kinds of animals are present in the arboreal. Okay, so what we see around us may be just few. So நம்மளை சுத்தி பார்க்கக்கூடிய விஷயங்கள் ஒரு சிலது மட்டும்தான். ஓகே, so but there are innumerable which means uncountable. Okay, species living in this world. So in our world there are more number of species are living which are uncountable. Okay, you have learned in lower classes about the classification of animal kingdom. Okay, so listen here. We will recall here that kingdom Animalia. There are two different kinds of kingdoms are there. One is Animalia, which is majorly uh, animals. Okay, so another kingdom is Plantae, which fully covered all the plants which are present in the earth. Okay, so kingdom Animalia is divided into two groups. The kingdom animals are divided into two groups. They are invertebrates and chordates. Invertebrates, which means not, the animals are doesn't have a vertebral column. So முதுகு தண்டுவடம் இல்லாத அனிமலை தான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், invertebrates. Okay, and other animals are chordate. Chordate, which means those animals are having vertebral column. Okay, so notochord and nerve cord. Okay, so முதுகு எலும்பு உள்ள உயிரினங்கள். Okay, so there occur a great diversity in the habit. Diversity which means different. Okay, habit. Vertebrate and invertebrate are living in different habit and habited living place. Okay, habit, living place, habited. Okay, so structural organization and mode of reproduction between the animals existing on earth. Some kinds of animals are reproduced by vegetative, and some kinds of animals are reproduced by asexual, and some kinds of animals are reproduced by sexual. There are different kinds of reproductive methods are present in different forms of animals. Okay, in this chapter you will understand the structural morphology. Morphology already you may know, the external appearance. Okay, and anatomy which means internal structure of an animal. Okay, so morphology and anatomy of an invertebrate. For example, here leech is given. Okay, leech and vertebrate. Rabbit. Leech is comes under the phylum Annelida. Okay, so the scientific name of Indian cattle leech. Cattle leech is Hirdineria granulosa. So there are two names are given. First name is genus name, and second name is the species name. When you write the scientific name of any kind of animals, the first name starts with the capital letter, and the second name, species names, starts with small letters. This is the rule of the scientific names. Okay, which belongs to the phylum Annelida. Annelida. So already you may know the different kinds of kingdoms present in the Animalia. For example, Protozoa, Porifera, Coelenterata, and Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelids, Arthropods, Echinoderms. Next, fishes and amphibians, reptiles, aves, and mammalia. Okay, this is the animal kingdom. The animal leech comes under the phylum Annelida. Annelids, which means the animals are metamerically segmented. Metamerically segmented is nothing but the animal body is segmented. Okay, so annelids are metamerically segmented worms. These are worms with well developed organ system. Okay, the scientific name of the common rabbit is Ornithologus cuniculus. It is represents phylum Chordata. Chordata, which means those animals are having vertebral column. Okay, and class Mammalia. Mammalia, which means the animals are having mammary gland. Okay, they feed their young ones through the mammary gland. Okay, so mammals occupy the highest group in the animal kingdom. The lowermost group is the protozoa. Okay, where the mammals are occupy the highest group. Okay, we are also comes under the phylum Mammalia and show advancement over the other group of animals. There are warm blooded, so there are two different kinds of animals are there. One is warm blooded, another one is cold blooded. Here the Ornithologus cuniculus comes under warm blooded animals. Okay, சூடான ரத்தம் இருக்கக்கூடிய animals and poses covering of hair on the body. The body of the animal is fully covered by tiny hairs. Okay, so mammary gland in female is the most striking feature of mammal. Let us now study about the morphology of leech and the rabbit in detail in this lesson. Okay, so here see the Indian cattle leech, Hirudinaria granulosa. Here the taxonomic position is given. Taxonomy is nothing but it is the scientific study of identification, classification, and nomenclature of any kind of organisms. Okay, so taxonomy, vagaipattiyal. Okay, so phylum, Annelida, annelids, which means those animals are having segmented body. Okay, so next, the Indian cattle leech comes under the class Hirudinae. Okay, so next order Gnathobilida, which means the animal move through the stomach. Gnatho, okay, bellidae. Genus Hirudinaria and species Granulosa. Okay, so next habit and habitat. Hirudinaria granulosa, Indian cattle leech, is found in India. Habit, which means the living place of an animal. Okay, so these animals are found in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. So it lives in freshwater, ponds, lakes, swamps, and slow streams. Freshwater na நல்ல தண்ணீர். Okay, pond உனக்கு தெரியும் குளம். Lakes, which means ஏரி. Okay, swamp சதுப்பு நில காடுகள்ல இருக்கும் and slow streams மெதுவான நீரோடைகள் இருக்கக்கூடிய பகுதிகள்ல இருக்குது. Okay, they are ectoparasitic. Ecto, which means outer side. Okay, ectoparasitic and feed on the blood of fishes. They are attached to the body of the fish and frog, cattle, sometimes in human. They feed the blood of the host animal. Okay, this type of feeding is called as sanguivorous. Okay, sanguivorous. It is sanguivorous in nature. Sanguivorous, which means blood sucking behavior. Okay, so next, external morphology. So shape and size. The body of leech is soft, vermiform. It look like a worm. Okay, and elongated and segmented. பார்த்தா மிருதுவா இருக்கும், புழு மாதிரி இருக்கும், நீளமா இருக்கும். உடல் முழுதும் என்ன இருக்கும், செக்மெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும். Okay, it becomes ribbon shape. It look like a ribbon when extended and almost cylindrical when contracted. If the animal extended நீளமா இருந்தது அப்படின்னா அது ரிப்பன் மாதிரி இருக்கு. சுருங்கி இருக்கும் போது எப்படி இருக்குன்னா it look like a cylinder. Okay, leech may grow to a length 35 centimeter. இது எவ்வளவு தூரம் வரைக்கும் வளரும்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா 35 சென்டிமீட்டர் வரைக்கும் வளருது. ஓகேவா? So next, coloration. Dorsal surface. If you see the animal, you may able to see dorsal and ventral side. Okay, so dorsal surface is olive green. It look like a olive green in color, and ventral surface is orange yellow or orange red in color. There are two different kinds of colors are seen, okay, in the body of the animal. So dorsal surface is olive green and ventral surface is orange red. Next, segmentation. Segment, which means the body divisions, okay. Metamerism is the segmentation of the body. The body of leech is metamerically divided into 33 segments. Totally the body of the leech contain 33 segments, okay. The segments are arranged one behind the other. Each segment is further superficially subdivided into rings. So totally 33 segments are there. Each segment further subdivided into rings. The rings are otherwise called as annuli, okay. A temporary clitellum, temporary, which means sometimes, okay. The temporary clitellum is formed on the segment 9 to 11. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, the ninth to 11th, which is need to produce a cocoon. Cocoon during the breeding season. Cocoon is nothing but egg case, okay, which is formed during the breeding season in the segment of 9 to 11, okay. Next, receptors. Receptors on the receptors, which means there are different kinds of receptors are present in higher animals. For example, here, if you like, already you may know the receptors. The receptors, for example, air is one of the receptor which receives sound, okay, and nose which receives smells and odor, and eye is the one of the receptor which receives light and image, okay. There are different kinds of receptors. Skin also one of the receptors. If someone touch in our body, you may feel, okay. So on the dorsal side there are 5 pairs of eyes on the first 5 segment in each. First 5 segments having 5 pairs of eyes, okay. Each segment bear a number of sensory projections called receptor. So annular receptor are located in each annuli, and segmental receptor are located on the first annulus of each segment. So first 5 segments are having 5 pairs of eyes, okay. Next, suckers. Suckers are nothing but which is used for attachment, okay, of the host body. So leech has 2 suckers. Suckers உறிஞ்சக்கூடிய அமைப்பு, okay. Leech has 2 suckers. The suckers located at the anterior and is called anterior sucker or oral sucker. If the suckers are present near the mouth, which is called as oral sucker, okay, which is ventral in position, occupying first 5 segment. The suckers occupy 1 to 5 segments, okay. The posterior suckers are formed by fusion of last 7 segments. Last 7 segments are fused together to form a posterior sucker. The anterior sucker help in feeding, while both the suckers help in attachment and locomotions, okay. So next, external aperture which means a hole, okay. So mouth, it is located in the middle anterior sucker. So the mouth is present in the middle region of the anterior sucker. Where the anterior suckers are present, first 5 segments are the anterior suckers present, okay. So in the middle the mouth is present. Next, anus is a small aperture opening that open on the mid dorsal side of the 26th segment. Totally how many segments are present in the body of the leech? 33, okay. Here the anus is located in the 26th segment. Next, nephridiophore. Nephridia is nothing but it is the excretory organ which is present in the leech, okay. So nephridia open to the exterior by 17 pair of nephridiophore. Totally 17 pair of nephridiophores are present. They lie ventrally on the last annulus of each segment from 6 to 22. Next, male genital pore. It is a mid-ventral opening situated between the second and third annuli of 10th segment. Where the male genital pores are located, 10th segment of third annuli. Okay. So next, here listen. Female genital pore. It lies mid-ventrally between the third annuli of 11th segment. Male genital pore located in the 10th segment, and the female genital opening present in the 11th segment. Okay, so here there is a activity given. Observe the external morphology of each specimen in your biology laboratory. Can you find leeches in your locality? In which geographical area are leeches found more predominantly in India? So listen, division of the body. The body of leech is divided into 6 regions. So first one is a cephalic region. Cephalic, which means head region. Okay, the first two fifth segments are called as the cephalic region or head region. So next, preclitellar region. Pre, which means posterior to clitellar. Sorry, pre-clitellar region, 6th, 7th and 8th. Next, clitellar region, 9th, 10th and 11th segment. Middle region, 12th, 22nd. Okay, so caudal region, caudal, which means end region. Okay, 23rd to 26th is the caudal region. Next, posterior suckers are present in the 27 to last 6 segments are, so last 7 segments are fused together to form a posterior surface. Okay, next, body wall. Body wall of leech includes 5 layers. Totally, how many layers are present in the body wall of leech? 5 layers. Okay, so first layer is cuticle. Cuticle is nothing but it is outermost layer. Next layer is epidermis, which lies below the cuticle, next to cuticle. Next layer is the dermis, which lies below the epidermis, form the connective tissue which connect the uh, muscular layer and cuticle. Okay, so muscular layer form the circular and longitudinal muscles. Last one is the botryoidal tissue, lies beneath the longitudinal muscles. Okay, and fill in the entire coelom. Coelom is nothing but it is the cavity which is present in the animal body. Okay, around the gut. So next, locomotion. How these animals are locomote from one place to another place? If you see, locomotion in leech takes place by looping and crawling movement. Okay, when the animals are present in water, it performs swimming movement. Okay, so listen, looping or crawling movement. Looping or crawling walk. Okay, so this type of movement is brought about by contraction relaxation of muscle. When the muscle contract and relax, they are moved. Okay, the two suckers serves for attachment during the movement of on a substratum. Substratum is nothing but it's the bottom surface, ground surface. Okay, substratum. Swimming movement. Leeches swim very actively when they are present in the water. Okay, and perform undulating movement in water. Swimming movement. Okay, andulation pedaling. Okay, so andulation movement. Digestive system. The digestive system include the long alimentary canal and the digestive canal. Okay, so alimentary canal is nothing but the alimentary canal of leech is a straight tube or நீளமான tube running from mouth to the anus. It starts from the mouth and ends in the anus. Okay, mouth is the triradiate. Triradiate na moon or Y shape இருக்கும். Okay, aperture situated in the middle of the anterior sucker that leads into the small buccal cavity. So mouth ல இருந்து எங்க போகுது? Buccal cavity. வாய் குழிக்கு போகுது. Okay, the wall of the buccal cavity bears 3 jaws. Jaws na என்னது? அது தாடைகள். Okay, 3 jaws with single rows of minute teeth. அதுல என்ன இருக்குன்னா குட்டி குட்டியான பற்கள் இருக்கு. Okay, the jaws are provided with papillae which bear the opening of salivary gland. Salivary gland na உமிழ்நீர் சுரப்பி. Mouth and buccal cavity occupy the first 5 segments. The buccal cavity leads into muscular pharynx. So mouth ல இருந்து என்ன lead ஆகுது? Buccal cavity lead ஆகுது. Buccal cavity ல இருந்து pharynx, it is surrounded by salivary gland. So the secretion of saliva contains hirudin. The saliva ல என்ன இருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா hirudin, which is a proteinaceous substance. It prevents the coagulation of blood. ரத்தம் உறையக்கூடிய தன்மையை வந்து இது என்ன பண்ணுது? தடுக்குது. ஓகேவா? So pharynx leads into crop through the short narrow esophagus. So mouth ல இருந்து buccal cavity ல இருந்து pharynx. Pharynx ன்றது தொண்டைக்குழி. ஓகேவா? pharynx ல இது esophagus. Esophagus ன்றது உணவு குழாய். ஓகே. So crop is the largest portion of the alimentary canal. Crop அப்படின்றது the esophagus ல இருந்து போகக்கூடிய ஒரு largest portion. ஓகேவா? It is divided into a 10 series of chamber. இந்த cropல எத்தனை chamber இருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா 10 chambers இருக்கு. The chambers communicate with one another through circular aperture. So ஒரு சேம்பருக்கும் இன்னொரு சேம்பருக்கும் எப்படி கம்யூனிகேஷன்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா the aperture, the hose வழியா தான். ஓகேவா? by a sphincter. Sphincter is nothing but it's a kind of muscle. Okay, sphincter muscle. A pair of lateral backwardly directed cecum உங்களுக்கு ஏற்கனவே தெரியும் cecum. Okay, so arises a blind outgrowth from each chamber known as ceca. சிங்குலர்ல நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? cecaன்னு சொல்றோம். அப்படி இல்லைன்னா diverticula அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். ஓகேவா? so crop நீங்க வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா லோயர் கேசஸ் அனிமல்ஸ்ல சீக்கம் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? so CK or diverticula. Crop and its diverticula can store large amount of blood. இந்த இடத்துல more amount of blood are stored. ஓகேவா? so which can be slowly digested. The last chamber of crop open into stomach. The crop is open into the stomach. The stomach lead into intestine, which is a small straight tube that open into rectum. The rectum open into the exterior anus. Here see the digestive system. The mouth is lead into the buccal cavity. Okay, buccal cavity leads into pharynx. Pharynx leads into esophagus. Esophagus leads into crop. Crop leads into stomach. Stomach leads into intestine. Intestine leads into rectum region. Finally, the rectum open into exterior by anus. Okay. Next, food, feeding and digestion. The leech feed by sucking the blood of cattle and other domestic animal. Domestic, which means the animals are வீட்ல வளர்க்கக்கூடிய அனிமல், வீட்டு விலங்குகள். ஓகே, domestic animals. During feeding, the leech attaches itself to the victim. Strongly, victim is nothing but the host. Okay, strongly by the posterior sucker. The leech make a triradiate or y-shaped incision. Incision a wound. Okay, which form y-shaped wound in the skin of the host by the jaws protruded through the mouth. Okay, அதுல ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம பார்த்தோம் ஜாஸ்ல என்ன இருக்கு, அந்த 3 ஜாஸ்ல மைன்யூட் டீத் இருக்குன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த டீத்தை வச்சு இது y ஷேப்ல ஒரு wound ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுது. ஓகே, the blood is sucked by muscular pharynx and the salivary secretion is poured where the saliva contain hirudin. Okay, the hirudin is poured into the host body. The ingested blood is stored in the crop chamber and its diverticulum. The blood passes from the crop into stomach. Digestion takes place in stomach by the action of proteolytic enzyme. Proteolytic enzyme is nothing but protein lytic, which means lysis. The protein digest பண்ணக்கூடிய enzymes produce பண்ணுது. Okay, the digested blood is then absorbed slowly by the intestine. Undigested food is stored in the rectum and digested na excreted out through the anus. Okay, leeches prevent blood clotting by secreting a protein called hirudin. They also inject the anesthetic substance that prevent the host from feeling their bite. If the animal inject hirudin, the host doesn't feel their bite. Okay, here see the digestive system of leech. Okay, the jaws are there. Next, mouth is open into buccal cavity and the pharynx. Then the pharynx lead into the esophagus. Esophagus leads into crop chamber. The crop chamber having diverticula and the crop lead into the stomach. Stomach opens into intestine. Intestine leads into rectum. Rectum leads into finally anus. Okay. Here some value points are given. See, leeches do not have ear. So leech kennalla kaadu kadiyadu. Hence can sense vibration through their skin. Adoda thol valiya na adu unarudhu. Okay, leeches have 2 to 10 tiny eyes. First 5 segments are having 5 paisa, 5 is already we seen, okay, which help them to locate their food. Leeches can suck blood 5 times more than their body weight. Okay, it may take more than a year for the complete digestion and absorption of full meal. Okay, so next is segmentation of leech. ஒரு டைம் லீச் நம்மளை கடிச்சிச்சு ஃபுல்லா பிளட் சக் பண்ணிச்சு அப்படின்னா அந்த ஃபுல் பிளட்டும் டைஜஸ்ட் ஆகுறதுக்கு எவ்வளவு வருஷம் எடுத்துக்குதான் அப் டு 1 year கூட எடுத்துக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ செக்மெண்டேஷன் ஆஃப் லீச். எக்ஸ்டர்னல் அண்ட் இன்டர்னல் ஃபீச்சர் பாடி segments in which the structure are present. So body segments, totally 33 segments are there. Anterior sucker, mouth and eyes are present in the first to 5th segment. Posterior sucker present in the 27th to 33rd segment. Pharynx present 5th to 8th. Crop 9th to 18th. Stomach 19th. Intestine 10th to 22nd. Rectum 23rd to 26th. Anus 26th segment. Nephridiophore 6th to 22nd. Totally 17 pairs of nephridiophores are present. Okay, so male genital aperture present in the 10th segment and female genital aperture present in the 11th segment. Okay, so next we will move on to respiratory system. How these animals are respirate. So respiration takes place through the skin in each dense network of tiny blood vessels called as capillaries containing the hemocytic fluid extended in between the cells of the epidermis. Here see the animal respire through the skin. Okay, so next dense network அடர்த்தியான பிளட் வெசல்ஸ் இருக்கு, அது கேப்லரின்னு நம்ம சொன்னோம். அதுக்குள்ள என்ன போகுதுன்னு சொல்றாங்க, ஹீமோசீலிக் which means blood like a fluid. Okay, heme which means blood, coelomic fluid, blood like a fluid present in the capillaries. Okay, the exchange of respiratory gases takes place by diffusion from higher concentration to the lower concentration. The molecules are moves. Okay, so oxygen dissolved in water diffuse through the skin into hemocytic fluid while carbon dioxide diffuse out. The skin is kept moist and slimy due to secretion of mucus which also prevent it from drying. நீங்க வந்து இந்த லீச்சை டச் பண்ணீங்கன்னா தெரியும், பார்த்தா வழவழன்னு இருக்கும். அது ஏன் அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்லைமியா இருக்குன்னா அது ட்ரை ஆகாம இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காக தான். ஓகேவா, ஸோ next, circulatory system. In leech, circulation is brought about by hemocytic system. Hemocytic system இங்க true blood vessels இருக்காது. Higher animals என்ன இருக்கும், arteries இருக்கும், veins இருக்கும், அந்த மாதிரி இங்க இருக்காது. The blood vessels are replaced by channels called hemocytic channels. இங்க blood vesselக்கு பதிலா channels இருக்கு. ஓகேவா, so filled with blood like a fluid, ரத்த மாதிரியே இருக்கக்கூடிய fluid. The coelomic fluid contain hemoglobin. இதுல என்ன இருக்குன்னா pigment. ஹீமோகுளோபின்றது என்னது, பிக்மெண்ட். ஓகேவா, ரெட் கலர் பிக்மெண்ட் எங்க பிரசன்ட் ஆயிருக்கு, coelomic fluidல. சோ இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா there are 4 longitudinal channels are there. One channel lie above dorsal side இருக்கும் and the elementary canalல, one channel வந்து below the elementary canal, the other 2 channels வந்து lateralா இருக்கு. ஓகேவா, so of the elementary canal which serves as a heart. இதுதான் வந்து எப்படி இருக்குது, ஒரு இதயம் மாதிரி இருக்குது. Have inner valves. All the 4 channels are connected together posterior. இந்த எல்லா சேனலும் எந்த இடத்துல கனெக்ட் ஆகுதுன்னா 26th segment தான் கனெக்ட் ஆகுது. இதோட சர்க்குலேட்டரி சிஸ்டம் இப்படிதான் இருக்குது. ஓகேவா, இப்போ லீச்சஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா doesn't have a well developed circulatory system. Okay, 4 channels இருக்கு, ஒன்னு dorsal இருக்கு, ஒன்னு ventral இருக்கு, 2 channels வந்து lateral இருக்கு. ஓகே, சோ இது 4 channels எங்க கனெக்ட் ஆகுதுன்னா 26th segmentல கனெக்ட் ஆகுது. So up to this I stopped in this class. Next class we will see remaining part. Okay.